Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove background from copied text in MS Word. We are going to open the file in Word. There you will see the text you have copied highlighted. After this, select the text. Right-click and choose the Cut option. Right-click again, and in the Paste section, choose the option, Keep Text Only. You can see the text without the background. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.